Weather forecast?
Hi!
Vlogging?
What's going on?
We are, oh jeez.
Where are y'all going?
We're going camping. To the campground that's attached to our house. Wait, what? Oh yeah, because we're in quarantine, we don't leave our house. Remember that bit in March? Yeah, what a time. It's autism.
Thank you for being a friend. Travel down the road and back again. Your heart is true. You're a pal and a confidant. And if you threw a party, invited everyone you knew, you would see the biggest gift would be from me, and the card attached would say thank you for being a friend.
Why is the light so weird? Woo-woo. What are we doing? What's going on?
Well, we're a little early. We were so efficient in packing that we can't leave now because we're gonna get there too early. So we're gonna go to Five Guys and eat lunch.
Yeah, milkshakes. So we just finished lunch at Five Guys, got milkshakes, and now we're on our way to the campground. Our ETA is 2:04, so catch us there.
In case you wanted to know. In case you wanted to meet us there.
Yeah, so. What?
We merged into one. I promise you. Canada?
Okay,
Silver Lake Campground!
thank you. You guys are gonna have to give me more. These are Kara's lovely parents. This is her dad, this is her mom. Say hi to our YouTube channel.
Hello. Have fun.
Thank you. Oh wait, I need you by the tree so you can pose. Give me give me tree vibes. Yes, give me. I just got engaged and my fiance's hiding behind the tree. Okay, but we're camping.
Me and Kara, we put this whole thing together, easy peasy, and the three of them are struggling to put It's attached to the tree right now.
A wild Megan pops out. Probably no. We could probably turn and they're really tall. Oh no. I'll hold it.
The poles are different heights.
There's at least 4 different size poles.
Wait, these X poles are different? No, those ones. I don't have the rubber.
She's explaining to me.
It's back.
Welcome to the campground. Give us a little tour.
Don't look at our floor. It's a little dirty at the moment.
Yeah.
Also, this campsite comes with the nice spigot feature over there. That's where children get lost to go become marsh girls. Now give us a little tour of the campsite.
Here you will see the cooking and drying clothes area. This is where we sit. And where our butts get wet. Very much so. And you've seen the tent feature before. We have chosen to rotate it so we have some privacy.
We do like privacy
from the road.
Plus, we get a lot of compliments this way, which we're about.
A lot of compliments on the 3-part tent. And then you can follow me into our new and improved kitchen area. Ooh. Watch the spokes, tripping hazard. And you can just come in here and see Kara at work. She's currently washing dishes after breakfast.
She's our little maid.
It's a little unsturdy, hence the rain accident Sanaa told you about.
Also because all these weird people who complimented our tent ended up being here this morning and they were waiting for us so they could compliment our tent more.
true. And that's about it. It's smaller, in the shade, which is nice, except we want the sun to dry everything.
It's very pretty.
But it's very pretty. And that is campsite 120.
Fire starter.
I did that.
Got it going.
I love fire.
She also took a nap. You can tell from her hair.
Every time I take a nap, my hair slowly falls out a little bit more, and I'm like,
Yeah, so we're just waiting for her to calm down, and then we're gonna cook some burgers. Ding. And beans, and everyone else got cheese except me, because I'm not a weirdo.
she's just saying that because she's upset that she's lactose intolerant, and the moment cheese enters her mouth, she takes a shit. So, don't pretend like you don't like cheese.
On that note, shout out Kara's dad for this sick radio. Club tent is popping off. Oh yeah, the flashlight. Got a little strobe action. Oh yeah, get ready. Oh my gosh.
I really hope no one walks by.
I'm vlogging this. We're in the icky bathroom.
I cried a lot from the smoke.
Okay, but basically, I'm vlogging here because there's light. But the amount of people that complimented our tent, literally so many. They were like, "Oh my god, it's 3." Someone said, "Rock on."
I mean, to be fair,
Walked by, basically made a comment on it.
and then someone walked by and they're like, "This is the tent," but I was like, "Wow."
So like maybe
Also,
they
we're
got
hot,
to see
so
it.
like.
It's a cool tent, so don't blame them.
Is outside, drowning. How your night went. Tell them where your feet are placed.
It is 6:38 in the morning. We've slept for maybe an hour. Maybe. It's 2 a.m.
Did you vlog us giggling it too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, when did it start?
It started around 2.
then
Like, okay, like the rain started around 2. There was flashes.
Further away and like thunder further away around 1.
Kira's, I think, still asleep.
No way, she's still asleep. We're very loud.
It was a massive thunderstorm. Lightning every 2 seconds.
I was using this nice quilt, and then I have a puddle.
Show them your.
And then I
Your
used
poor
this.
socks
I
are just
know.
so cute.
And then I was using this towel for my feet until magnet.
I only knew like 2 minutes ago, so she's only been warm for like maybe 2 minutes.
I went pee like 10 minutes ago. We're still in the bed.
I was trying so hard not to think about being cold. It's not wet. It's too cold.
Okay. How'd your night go?
Well, I couldn't fall asleep, and then at like 1-ish, the lightning and the thunder started, and so I immediately grabbed my phone because they were on top of all my stuff, and I kind of spooned them all night under the blankets to make sure that they didn't get wet. And yeah, I slept like on and off from like 4 to 6. So
We took a few naps from
Yeah.
We're living our best life.
I, get up at 5:30 for my routine pee, always on time. Anyway, so I get up and I make my way over to the bathroom, and I make my way back, and I walk, and I'm like,
I was laughing when I
our kitchen tent collapsed. Like water had pooled into the roof and made its way into the gap between the bench and the table of the picnic. And so I had to pull it up, but it wouldn't pull, so I had to empty the water out and slowly pull, and as I pulled one side, the other side would collapse. I was like, how do I do this? But yeah, now it's tilted, but we're standing. We've adopted a new friend, Sherbert.
He just jumped in.
Hi.
It's a mink frog.
I'll catch it. Oh, you can catch it.
Stop it. Come back.
It's gonna find Joanne's puddle and live there.
Go out. No, that was out. No, you missed it.
We had never had the bottom zipped, did we?
Ooh, hi.
Or maybe you unzipped it when you went to the bathroom and we never saw
Here.
Hi. Get rid of it now. It's done.
Okay.
Thanks, Joe.
Oh, the smoke's going the other way now.
Rip. Gotta get the smoke.
Yeah, how are we supposed to get all nice and smoked?
Breathe. Close your eyes. It's not actually helping.
Oh my gosh! Good job, Joe. Go, Queens, go. Go, Queens, go. Go, Queens, go. Who needs a spigot?
Homemade spaghetti.
Yeah, I know they go spigot.
The cups are full.
One thing making us, oh my god, by the spigot. I'm like, spaghetti? Like spaghetti.
I had a great night.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Little night, night, little baby. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. No crying tonight.
It's kind of undercooked.
Oh man, I wasn't filming. Sorry, team.
We had so much fun with her.
This is breakfast. I'm making super pancakes.
Scrambled pancakes.
No, I'm mixing it all together. One giant pancake.
Yum.
Frog. Look at the fire.
No, it's in the kitchen tent. I can't get it because I'm not going in.
But basically, we're going home today because apparently it's supposed to thunderstorm all of today into tomorrow.
From 5 p.m. today till 3 p.m. tomorrow when
So
we're
it's
leaving.
Not very fun, so we're packing up. We might spend an hour at the beach. We're making some s'mores and banana boats, and I'm gonna have Spider Dog, and then we'll go home and have the rest of the camping food. Cool.
No, because I don't want from the tent.
Say thanks for tuning in.
That one's mine. And yours
whatever.
is
Thanks for tuning in.
On little planks of wood, there's our little master chef, and there's the fire. Those are our little boats. Hi. I don't know if you can hear us over the sound of the air conditioning that people there. Anyway, but we just finished swimming and now we're going home. So, hi. Thanks for tuning in with us. And hopefully you'll see us in our next video.